Hello everybody and welcome to this basic PHP programming tutorial. In this tutorial what we're going to do is that we're going to learn how to declare and use some variables in PHP. So the first thing that we will do is that we're going to start PHP over here in this file. This is a file .php document, and I will see the result over here in my web browser. So now that everything is set up, let's begin. So the first thing that you need to know to declare variables is that all variables in PHP start with the $sign. So go ahead and type in the $sign, and then you can write the name of your variable. Now the name of your variable must start with a letter or underscore. Although it can include numbers if you like, but you have to type it like this. For example, this is a normal variable declaration, var equals 10, and end always with semicolon. And notice that the name only have letters. You can also type it like this. This is also valid. Type in the underscore, and you can type underscore over here. You can write even numbers at the end, for example variable 1, but you can't write $sign and then 1 and then the name. This will be wrong, so never start with a number after the $sign. So erase this, and let's name my variable like that. And once you start the variable, you have to assign a value to it. For example, I am assigning the 10 number to this variable. So this variable will contain this number over here, and I will be able to use that later. So let's start another variable, for example variable 2, and I will then name this 20, and this will be another variable, another number. Now something you have to notice over here is that PHP is kind of a loosely language, so anytime you declare variables, and it will determine the type of variable that it is depending of the value that you assign to it. For example, if you assign a number, PHP will know that this variable is a number. If you type a text over here, now this PHP will understand that this variable is a text because you are assigning a text to the variable. It is not necessary to tell PHP what kind of variable it is. For example, like in C or in Java, you have to do that, but in PHP you don't. So it is a little bit easier and simple to declare variables. Now what we will do now is an example of a mathematical operation with these variables. And basically what you have to know is that variables in PHP are really much like algebra. For example, this variable will be called for let's say x, and like in algebra, x is used to store a value, a number value, for example 10. And now we can say that we have another variable called result, or let's say z, and z is equals x plus variable number 2. And if we go ahead and write an echo function, and let's say the result is, and go ahead and type a dot to concat the variable to this text over here, so we will see what z is equals to, and type in semicolon. And now we can save this document, and we will see what happens when we run it. So we will see that the result is 30. And this is basically because we're adding these values, that 10 plus 20 is 30. So this operation basically shows the result of that sum. So that is what the result is basically. So that is basically how you declare variables. You can assign value to them, and you can even do a mathematical operation over here. So you can also type in some text in your variables. For example, a message, just like that. I type in echo and then type x, and if you save this and if you show it again over here, you will see a message. And this is another kind of variable that is a string variable. It basically a lot of characters over here, and you can print them, and you can store another kind of string text in variables. So this is basically a really basic variable tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like it, please press on the like button or subscribe to my channel for more videos on PHP, and even if you can see some JavaScript, you will also find JavaScript in my channel. So thank you for watching, and see you later. Bye bye.